It is strawberry season, so let's run through some simple recipes that you can make this week at home. First, we're going to make a strawberry chia jam that will last about a week in the fridge. It's really good on toast or bagels or anything that you want to spread it on, and it's very simple to make. Once you have your strawberries chopped up, you're gonna heat them up in a saucepan and then put all your ingredients in it and stir it well. Before you use the jam, you're going to want to put it in a jar and let it cool overnight in the refrigerator. That way it can get that jammy, thick consistency that you'll see right here. This is one of the simplest salads you can make any night of the week, as long as you have spinach, strawberries, sliced almonds, and like a balsamic vinaigrette, or in the next series of videos, you'll see how to make a strawberry vinaigrette. I forgot to add this to mine, but feta crumbled cheese on top of it is also a really good addition to the salad. You can cover the salad and keep it in the fridge for about a day before the leaves start to get wilty and the almonds start to get a little soggy. Because the strawberry vinaigrette has fresh strawberries in it, it will not last as long as normal vinaigrettes. Only about a week, as long as you keep it in a jar. The strawberry bites are good for a nice, cool, quick snack. However, I would not do them in a food processor next time. I am going to do them in a blender. Stick them in the freezer overnight, and then when you're ready to eat one, let it sit out for like 5 minutes to get it a nice soft texture that you can easily bite into. Sorry for the recorder in the background. My kid was practicing for his music class, but I think a lot of overnight oats recipes aren't that good, but I really, really like this one, especially warmed up in the morning. So gather all the ingredients, mix it well, keep it overnight, then warm it up in the microwave for like 30 to 45 seconds, and it's really good. So a little bonus tip, when you're doing cleaning and storing of any kind of berries, you should do it with vinegar and then completely dry them, and it will make the berries last longer in the fridge. Mine were bought about 2 weeks ago and they're still good, no mold or anything like that. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like.